Let's see how you can handle this question, which is an exam question. I think it was in 2021. What's the output of the following piece of Python code? So you have certain values here, so certain variables and certain print statements. So let's start from the beginning. You here in the first line you have x is equal to 3, and always remember x is equal to 3. The assignment always happens from right to left in the Python. So 3 is assigned to the variable x, and then you are printing x is x. So here the value printed will be 3. Okay. Okay. Now at line 4, y is equal to x. Always the assignment happens here. So y will have the value of 3 here. Okay. And then in line number 5, x is equal to x plus 4. So here y is equal to 3 and currently it was x is equal to 3. Okay, this is line number 4. In line number 5, x is equal to x plus 4. So x plus 4 means um, x is equal to x plus 4. How does it work? You calculate this first and then assign it here. So which means that 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 will be assigned to x. So at the end of this operation, you will have x is equal to 7. So now in line number 6, when it is printing, um, what will be the values which will be printed? The values will be x and y. So it will be printed 7 and 3. Okay, so there won't be any comma, 7 and 3. Okay, so let me just rub this because I need space to work. So here this will be 7 and 3. Here it is 3. Okay, that's what will be printed. And this is x and this is y, just for our reference. Okay, now again line number 8, what will happen? X is equal to y times 2. So x will get the value y times 2, 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. So x will get the value of 6. Sorry, it is not assignment. X will get the value of 6. Okay, and in line number 9, you're printing x and 2 times y. Okay, 2 times y. So suppose if you don't know what is this, okay, what you will do, you have the Python sheet, so you go and see what kind of operator this is, and you will see that it is a power operator, so which means that you are powering it. I mean, you are putting an index over here, and y has the value 3. So it is 2 to the power of 3. That is nothing but 8. So you will have the values in line number 9. The value of 6 and 8 will be printed. Okay, so let me just write it down here. So it is 6 and 8 will be printed. Now the next line, line number 11, y is equal to x minus y minus 1. Okay, so they are calculating something, y is equal to x minus y minus 1. So what is x? 6. So it is 6 minus 8 minus 1. So, and it will do it from left to right. So 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So y will get the value of minus 3. But when it comes to line number 12, you are printing y is y. What will happen here? Y is y. You have to notice this. It's a trick question here because this is put in quotes. So see here, they have put this in quotes, which means that that's a string. So what will be printed? It will just be printed y is y. Okay, it will not print the value of y. To print the value of y, you have to write it in this format, right? Here it is a string and it will just print y is y.